Hi viewers, today video Yearn Finance YFI price prediction update forecast latest technical analysis urgent video last 24 hours Yearn Finance 10% increase rise 24-hour trading volume 1.50 billion market cap 470 million current technical indicator sentiment bullish market dominance Yearn Finance 0.04%. Last 1 month performance Yearn Finance 22 days green days price volatility 32% extremely high volatility last 1 month trading above overbought position Yearn Finance 67 cryptocurrency exchanges Binance listed Binance futures OKX HTX Get.io and many other exchanges listed. Currently RSI relative strength index momentum value 95 indicates Yearn Finance market is overbought position, price will increase, rise. Currently trading above 200-day SMA simple moving average. This indicator signaling bullish by SMA 3, SMA 5 or 10 signaling bullish signals. It means long-term trending. Weekly SMA simple moving average, weekly 10, 100, 50, 21 signaling bullish trading above support levels 12431, 10845 and 9754. Resistance levels 15375, 16258 and 18151 resistance levels based on Yearn Finance YFI forecast. Current technical indicators sentiment bullish, overbought position trading above. It means good investment time, buy entry trade, hold profitable. Yearn Finance YFI. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel for more latest videos, update, forecast. Goodbye.